December 11th, it's 12 o'clock, so the sun is pretty much at max power that I'm gonna get. She's right up there. Got the solar shed. So there's an old shed and here's the new shed. SMA power inverters, 3800 US power inverter. Got 12 panels, Canadian solar at 330 watts. We'll go inside and see what we got here. Power. We're doing 3,000 watts. 3,033, 219 volts on one side. $217 volts on the other side. She's made 8 kilowatts today. And 7.1 amps on that side, but it is putting out 12.3 amps is going to the grid. 3,000 watts. So that is definitely that the panels put a lot of little heat, so the solar shed stays pretty good. There's all the panels. The shed. Thanks for watching.